The ExCEL Academy is the expanded core education learning academy where upcoming teachers of students with visual impairments from California State University, Los Angeles have the opportunity to implement their knowledge and work with students of all ages and abilities to focus on real-life skills.
So as a parent of a daughter who's been in that program for 2 years, I have to say I love all the things, of course, that Taylor comes out from that expanded core curriculum. But I'm also a teacher, so I love that the student teachers actually have real students for the field that they're going to go into. I think it's absolutely invaluable that they get hands-on experience rather than just the textbook alone. I think that it makes the future teachers leading the VI field that much stronger, and it just absolutely builds up the strength of the future VI student. It also not only benefits the children, the teachers, but during that Saturday class, a lot of the parents are actually together. And so we get to build community together and talk to each other about some of the struggles and success stories. So this ExCEL Academy benefits the teachers, it benefits the parents, and of course it benefits our kids.
With my experience, it's been really fun. The teachers have definitely know how to appeal to us because they like make it really fun, and they play music, and they're just like really good people. The teachers train me how to label clothes and cook and cut, and even like put stuff in the oven and all the scary stuff that my mom wouldn't let me do. I think they kind of like handled us the way they just like were hands-on and kind of just took control a little bit, which is like really good. And they seemed really like calm and confident with what they were doing, even though sometimes I'm sure they were a little bit nervous with us. So that really stood out to me. We went to the aquarium of the Pacific, which was really fun. They made their own like separate room, and they had this like moon jelly in like a bowl, and I probably got stung like 1,000 times, but you didn't feel it. So that was like my highlight.